火焰狂烧，浓烟直窜天际，令人触目惊心。纽约长达8日爆发多起野火，在强风与低湿度环境助长下，火势迅速蔓延。
You see that giant plume of smoke over the Sunrise Highway in Suffolk County earlier today.
大量浓烟铺天盖地，遮蔽视野，几公里外都看得见，犹如灾难片。火场临近西汉普顿海滩一处空军国民警卫队基地附近工业区，纽约州长已经宣布部分地区进入紧急状态。
So far, we are hearing from officials that there's no threats to people directly just yet. There are dozens of agencies that are responding to the fire.
当局出动空中巡防队和纽约国民军直升机协助灭火，部分高速公路关闭，也传出有建物毁损，还有消防员受伤。
So far, we've had one injury, an injury that required transportation to Stony Brook Hospital to the burn center. A second-degree burn on the face of one of our firefighters.
目前多起野火已得到控制，暂时没有下达疏散令，但最大担忧是阵风。邻近的纽泽西和康乃狄克州也严阵以待。起火原因仍旧不明，但雷击已被排除，因此极有可能是人为因素引发。紧急救援人员正积极应变，希望将伤害降到最低。三立新闻陈佩报道。